Hello, I'm Jennifer Goon, and these are my projects from my Digital Literacies class. This class exposed me to many tools that are used daily by technical communicators. I created 3 projects for this class: this portfolio website on WordPress, a video tutorial for Trello using Camtasia, and a single source solution using MadCap software. Project 1, Portfolio Website. For this project, I completed a tutorial about WordPress on LinkedIn Learning and used CRAP principles to create a pleasing interface. I also added blog posts about my learning at different points in the class. This project was a good practice of SEO. Project 2, Trello Tutorial Video. I used screen capture technology on Camtasia to make a short guide for beginner users of Trello. I planned the video using a storyboard and followed the principles of minimalism when writing the instructions. Project 3, Single Sourcing Project. In this group project, my team and I generated PDFs of installation guides. We created templates on MadCap Flare to format all files uniformly, and we embedded keywords and metadata into all files. This course offered a preview of relevant technologies in the field while also teaching ways to effectively handle content. I have used the knowledge and skills gained from this class in all TECM classes and at my current internship. Thank you.